Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Kia Soul key fob battery. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. It's a common coin cell battery, widely available. Make sure your workspace is clear and well lit to avoid misplacing any tiny components during the process. This simple task takes only a few minutes. Now, let's open the key fob. Many Kia Soul key fobs have a small slot, often near where the emergency key slides out. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the fob. You might hear a small click as the clips release. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, observe its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery from its clips. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should snap securely into place. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear them click, indicating the clips have re-engaged. Once reassembled, it's time to test it out. Head to your Kia Soul and try locking and unlocking the doors. Confirm that all the buttons, including the trunk release and panic alarm, are working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.